Hello, na good evening, na good morning, na good afternoon, my people. I greet everybody for the house. So I wan just quickly talk this word before my children go wake up. Because the thing dey pain me for mind, I no know wetin I wan talk again. I say my just talk am today. Because wetin our women dey do, dress when our women dey dress come out for social media. Dress when our women dey come out, even not be social media, for outside sef. We dey call ourselves marriage people. We go wear pants come outside because oyibo dey do am. We go wear blazer come outside because oyibo dey do am. You know say if na Africa, you don marry, you no fit do that one. Mo fit talk go the traditional way. For traditional person, I be Isha. I be typical be Isha. Oye san pàtàkì o me wohin. Oye san me wohin. Me yes, oya na biawe san na gare ze san. Because mene be evo simele. Oku odo amehi. Esan mehi. Ebi we ya we san sime different we san suwe. Oku odo amehi. Osho when I mean all different. It is some be. So we are all I'm from Asia. So I know wetin tradition people they do. Although I no be tradition person because I be Christian. My family, my family is a Christian family. I come from Christian home. But I know wetin my people they forbid as a marriage women. And God still forbid them. Yes. Because I dey see many women today, the dressing when they dress for social media. Even not be social media, the one when they pass you. The dressing, my brother, my sister, the thing will do my hair, make me want say, which kind of dressing be this one? Because we put it one. They don't know marriage people again, they don't know single people again. You see marriage woman go wear blazer, wear pants for social media. Because they need viewer. Because they need this one. Viewer, that viewer when you need. You know better pass your body when you expose. You know will need you go anywhere. It will need you to destroy her. No. Or need where to destroy. Or need where it is so. Or destroyed base away. We just go have destroyed base away and we have destroyed where we were. Man when marry you for us. You dey disgrace the man. You are disgracing yourself. You are disgracing the man. You are disgracing the family you marry. Egben when I run do. We are disgracing the egben when I run do. Ben we are disgracing where everywhere. You we are disgracing mostly egben when I run do. That place, the family you marry to, your husband and yourself, you disgrace all of them because of your dress and because of your attitude of dressing that way. Because the thing diverts me. Many people we know wetin for my country, for my village where I come from. I know wetin we dey forbid. I know wetin married woman they do. I know wetin married woman not supposed to. Because of Europe, our character change. The character change. Like one lady the other day, when I see the lady, I say, this dressing you are dressing like this is not good. I told her in presence of her husband, maybe she will find this video, she will see it when I make it. She know herself. When I call her, I say, this thing is not good. You know what the woman did? When he wear the trouser, So they look at the pants she's wearing inside. They are looking at the pants where she wear the tights. The tight was so exposed. Then she wear the top. The top is not down. It's just, I don't know how I would describe it. Because the thing, I was so tired. So I called the woman. I said, my sister, please don't be offended. Please, this way you dress, I don't like it. Because I've been looking at it, because I cannot bear it. If I don't tell you, God will be angry for me because I see I did not tell you. So I tell the lady said, okay, no problem, thank you. The other day, she just do the same thing. I stopped. I did not tell her again. I said, well, maybe she's angry. She don't want to tell me that she's angry. So I just tell her and leave her. Because God knows that I told her. Please, if that is not the way how I should keep repeating it, so you just leave your comment below. Tell me how you think about this talk, about this message. Because a responsible man cannot allow his wife to dress that way. A responsible man will not allow his wife to dress all because of social media, all because I don't know. You see some women, because of social media, they keep pulling their shirt in social media. They will not wear shirt. Some people will tie towel. They will just tie towel with their husband in social media. Start licking their wife's body or licking their husband's body. My dear, that is deceiving. They are deceiving you is because they need viewers. You that call yourself a married woman, maybe you are having problem. Next time I'm going to talk about those things. I'm not going to say it about this video. Say that one about this video. This nakedness is the one that bring me here today, the one I saw. So that is what I want to talk about today. Next time I'll talk about those kind of people, who they are. The kind of deceiving those people are. I'm going to tell you. If you are a married woman, you have to be prayerful. If you're a responsible woman, you have problem in your home, you have to be prayerful. It's only prayer that will help you in your marriage. It's not when you are looking those deceivers. You are looking those people, you are deceiving yourself. Next time, I'm going to talk about it. So, my people, my sister, address the way you dress to social media. Don't because of viewer to dress that way to social media. I know people don't like where they say the truth. People always follow where Satan is destroying. Because they want to see your nakedness. They want to see, because that is where people like. When you are saying the truth, they will not follow you. But when you come out with nakedness, there is where they will appreciate. They will be running, following you. So, my sister, let's advise ourselves as a married woman. Let's speak to ourselves as a responsible woman. Because we want to marry to be different from the world. That is why we choose to marry. So as we choose to marry, let us respect ourselves, respect the family we marry, respect our husband, and respect God, fear God. Let us fear God. It's not you are dressing that way will make your husband love you. It's not you are wearing that bun shirt in social media will make your husband love you. It is bringing disgrace to your husband, and it's bringing disgrace in your family. In your own family, it's bringing disgrace in the man's family. Let us dress well. If you are from Asia, if you like, pick what I'm telling you. If you are from other place, pick what I say. Pick what I say, don't mind my English. Ebi meta, e bosi me. Bagi ma advice bima. Ma paloma advice bima as a married woman, because even ni mama uwegbe. Bagi amye wo even no suppose ni mama uwegi mama iso do ni mama ome. Ma do mi wo ma do are bima ma ugiode. Africa is not like that. Asian women marry. They respect themselves. In Africa, they respect their self. I don't know about Europe here. I don't know about Europe here. So guys, this is what I have today. So if today is your first time passing by, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends and your family. Bye. See you next time for my next video. Please, woman, you have to dress properly and respect yourself and where you marry from. Bye bye.